What's up YouTube? Mimi here, coming at you from my channel, Bunny Birdie Gator. Okay, you guys, so here we are on the very next aisle. And yay, because these are still here. This is the location where I actually found some of the real Pedialites. And I was really surprised to find those. They don't have the real Pedialites anymore, but they do have the generic. Aw, these are cute. Cute little socks. Baby socks. For all the new babies out there, congratulations to Marie on her new granddaughter. I know you like it when I show the baby items, Marie. We have tons of socks. All the pantyhose, the knee highs. Oh, these are so cute. Look at these. Love those. I love that pink. We have shirts and tank tops. I'm finding Gildan, Anvil, Hanes, and Comfort Colors. Those are the brands. Let's take a look at some of these drinks. I wish we could find those Nestle Splash in 6-packs, but now they just put them all in a 4-pack. Ooh, this is new, passion fruit. Passion fruit Welch's. I'll try it. Sounds good. And we bought the soursop juice last time we were in, but we still haven't tried it. We just have it at home. Birdie just brought it up from the basement and wanted to try it. Oh, these are still here. The adrenaline shocks. This is sour candy. These are sugar-free. I think I want to get one. I didn't have any coffee today, so I think I'd like to get that. I don't see any full-size name brand cereals this week. Oh, these are still here. The cupcake mix and the sugar cookie mix. We also have the Chewy Fudge Duncan Hines family size brownie mix. Granola clusters by Sunbest. All the little creamers that don't have to be refrigerated until you open them. Ooh, these are new. We have original oatmeal, 6 packs in a box. We have apples and cinnamon, and we have maple and brown sugar. Nice deal. 6 in a pack for $1. What's this? Even more. Okay, you guys, and these are limited edition, but this time we only get 5 in a box. We have pumpkin spice, gingerbread, and hot chocolate. These are instant oatmeals, hot chocolate flavored instant oatmeal, gingerbread, and pumpkin spice. Would you try these? Yes or no? Here is a yes for me. These flat pitas are really good. Birdie loves them. And I can't find them everywhere. Oh my gosh, you guys, this is so cute. Look. Boo. Aw. Just put your little tea light candle in there. That is cute. Super cute. Okay, I'm really happy I found the pitas. I don't think we have any new cookies over here. Do we? I don't think so. The newest cookies I've recently seen are these by the brand Latino. I think it's Latino Factor. Yeah, Latino Factor. These cookies are the newest addition to the cookies that I've seen lately. The little Lorna Doones are here. Aw. These are not always here. Maybe I'll get my husband a couple of these. He likes these. What's on the end cap this week? Just some basics. And this is that cleaning aisle that you guys liked. It's nice and stocked up. That cleaning video I put up a couple weeks ago. I know a lot of my ASMR friends have been looking for the lemon comet. Well, if you're looking for it, it's here at Dollar Tree. You get 1 pound, 5 ounces. We also have the lavender. And we have the 1.75 pounds of Ajax. This is 28 ounces for $1. So if you're looking for it, because I've heard a lot of people say the lemon is their favorite. If you're looking for the lemon is here at Dollar Tree. To all my ASMR cleaning friends and ASMR powdery friends, gym chalk crushing friends, if you need supplies for your reforms or for your cleaning videos, definitely check at Dollar Tree. Check around to a few different Dollar Trees. It just smells so good on this aisle. We have tons of Fabuloso, little Lysols. We also have the fresh and natural little side panel box opening. They're actually called the spill-proof flow-through package. That's what they're called. Forget what I was trying to say. Now on to laundry. Tons of Suavitel. We have the white, the yellow, the aqua, the darker blue, field flowers. We have actually two or three. So we have these two Suavitel completes. This one is Floral Burst. This one is Soothing Lavender. Ooh, and then we have this one, Waterfall Mist. So we have like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Yeah, I'm gonna say about 6 different Suavitels to choose from. In Wash Aroma Booster and Odor Eliminator. What's this? This is definitely new. It sounds like some sort of scent beads. Look, you guys. This is what it looks like. It's a nice big container. 17.5 ounces. Now I am smelling it through a face mask, and it smells like a lightly scented, you know, like wax melt. But I like that we're getting so much, because these little ones, these are more so like the bath crystals. This is 10.5 ounces, and this is 17 ounces. These might be fun to put on the wax melt burner. I think I want to try some. I don't know. I've tried some of the other little boosters in the past and didn't really like them. But this is something new, and I kind of want to try them. Or use them on my ASMR channel. Let's try a few. I'll let you guys know what I think. I might as well get them now before I can't find them. Let me see if this one up here is a different scent. Wait a minute, what? This one has some green ones in it. Green and purple. Now I'm wondering, do they all have different colors? Let's open another one. Okay, let's see this one. I guess they're all green and purple. It's not like the best smelling thing in the world, but I think it will be fun to try out. What do I have? I think I'm gonna get, should I just get 3 of them? I think I'm just gonna get, no, I'll get 4 of them. I'll get 4 of them for now. And then we have our various laundry powders. Our little pods, 10 in a bag. Also 10 in a bag. And then over here behind me, we just have all of our like air fresheners, the sprays, the little, whatever you want to call these, the gels. Yeah. But all right, you guys, I think that's it for me on this aisle. I'm gonna decide whether or not I want to film any more in here. But my kids are with me today, and it's not a very hot day, but they're all hanging out in the car waiting for me. So I don't know. I want to see whether or not I'm going to film in here. Either I'm going to film in here a little bit more, or I'll just catch you guys in another location. But all right, you guys, thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye, guys.